So here's the tutorial on how you can actually use my new app called ZedLove. So it's simply a dating app made in Zambia for Zambians. So all you need to do is simply search for ZedLove, and as for me, I already installed the app, and you find I've got a new update which was published today. So all features are now free, all errors have been fixed. So all you need to do is install and finally open the app, and this is how it's actually going to look like. So all you need to do is you can either log in using your Google account, or you can actually log in using your phone number. So in this case, I'm just logging with my phone number. Then you can either choose a precise or approximate. So I'm going to choose precise location. Then I just have to choose my country. I think I'll have to edit this and only put Zambia alone because this app is only for Zambians. Then now all I need to do is enter in my number. So 0977770202. So imagine, don't add the 0, just start with the 9. Okay, then click on next. Then now all you need to do is simply wait for an SMS. So the code has been sent. So the code has come and it's on my WhatsApp. The code is on my iPhone, that's where the number is. So let me just enter the code. Here is 183-238-238. Okay, it's verifying the OTP. Okay, so the login is successful. So what you need to do when you install the app, simply click on your icon here on the left, click on there, then click on this my icon. Okay, then choose a profile picture. The other way you can do is click on the pencil icon. Okay, when you click on the pencil icon, click on the photo, then click on search new profile picture. As for me, I already added. Then enter in your full name, your number, your email, choose your interest, then select up to 6 images, then click on save. So make sure that you add your profile picture, and so that your profile can stand out. Okay, once you are done with the profile picture, okay, you'll be able to see everything on the gallery, on the feeds. Okay, then click back. Then account settings, that's the second thing you need to do is go to account settings, then choose the location to Zambia and choose which people are interested in seeing. As usual, choose female if you're male. Then you can change this according to what you think. Then the other thing you might want to do is, that's it. So then simply go to home. Okay, so on the home page, this is where you'll be able to see, okay, new users. Okay, then simply click on like or dislike. As of now, there's no one. Then feeds, okay, similar to Facebook, you'll be able to see all these. Then on matches, you'll be able to see the people you've, okay, messages, you'll be able to see okay, the messages, and finally the interactions, you'll be able to see the people you've liked, people you've